Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I told you guys that I would film a couple of looks using the Jaclyn Hill palette, some more colorful, some more neutral. I filmed one yesterday that was very neutral but very glam. It wasn't simple, it wasn't boring, not that today's look is boring, but it was a very glam, like night out kind of look, just using neutral colors from the palette. So I wanted to do another neutral look today, but make it very easy, very on the go, very daytime appropriate. It's easier, y'all. 2 shadows, that's it. 2 shadows, 2 brushes, that's it, okay? If you want to find out how I got this look, just keep watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, okay? And I have primed my eyes, and I just wanted to do a really quick look using the Jaclyn Hill palette. I promised a couple of neutral looks. This is going to be the last look that I film using this palette. I'm going to use this one, Comfort Zone, and I'm taking that on a fluffy brush and running it all over the lid. I'm starting at my lash line and working my way up. That way it's kind of blending as it's applying. I'm going to take the tiniest amount of this shade, Perfectionist, on that same brush and just go right around the edges. Okay, I'm going to use a pencil brush in that same shade I used first, Comfort Zone, and go underneath the lashes. Next, I'm going to take a waterproof eyeliner. This one's by Thrive Cosmetics, and I'm going in the waterline with this. And when I work in the waterline, I smudge it between the lashes on the lower lash line as well. I'm going to apply thin eyeliner on the top and mascara and lashes, and I'll be right back. I applied my liner, mascara, and lashes. I used the House of Lashes Allura Light. I will insert a picture of them here. And I primed my face using the e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. I am going to use the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and I'm using that on an e.l.f. beauty sponge. Okay, I'm going to set that using my Mineralized Skin Finish from MAC. And I always set wherever's going to crease first. If I did any cream under my eyes, I would probably set there first. But that's why I always start with my forehead and around my mouth. Okay, to add a little color back to the face, I'm going to use MAC Studio Sculpt Bronzer in Delphic. For blush, I'll use MAC's Gingerly. This is my all-time favorite blush. I have 2. Gingerly and Blush Baby. If I had to narrow my entire collection down to 2, it would be Gingerly and Blush Baby. And I couldn't narrow it down past 2. Don't ask Don't ask me to do that. That's like asking me to choose between my children. But I'm really making sure that when I'm tapping that on, I'm blending it down into the bronzer. And I'm starting at the back of my cheek where the bronzer is the heaviest and coming forward. That's going to give us that really sun-kissed cheek. This is MAC's Sculpting Powder in the shade Shadester. I'm skipping the highlight today just because I want a really bronzed look, and I really want to keep this look very simple, so no highlight today. Sorry. Going to prime my lips using MAC's Lip Primer. And to fill in, I'm going to use this lip pencil by Ofra in the shade Wine. And on top of that, I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics High Gloss in the shade Diva. This is the completed look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this puts a different spin on the palette. Like I said, this is one of my all-time favorite looks to wear. It's so simple. You can have it done in 5 minutes, literally on your way out to work. I hope this kind of makes that palette less intimidating and a little more approachable, especially for people that don't want to wear the hot pinks on an everyday, but maybe want to venture into something new. Let me know if you want to see more looks from the palette. Otherwise, I'm going to move on to something else because I feel like I've kind of exhausted the hype surrounding it. But don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Why does one lash always behave and the other one you gotta threaten it with JCDC?